Excited to be here. Some of you may recognize us from past Finovates as SailMove. This year we've relaunched the company as Glia. And we are here to transform the way that financial services organizations communicate with their customers. In your personal lives, think about how you communicate with friends and family. We all use texting, FaceTime, and social messaging. And when we communicate with our colleagues at work, we use Zoom, Skype, Slack, all digital. But what's ironic, when we want to communicate with our most beloved and trusted financial services organizations, we're forced to dial into old-fashioned phone lines. We're sent into an IVR abyss, and we're put on hold times that seem to be never-ending. We're told to use emails that take days to get replies. And some of you still have fax numbers listed on your Contact Us pages. This is not how your customers want to interact with your organization. They want to have modern digital communication options just as they have in their personal lives. Let us show you how the Glia platform can be integrated to your existing websites, web portals, and mobile apps to transform the digital customer experience. We're going to show you the Glia digital platform added to a typical banking website. And we're going to demonstrate a very typical customer interaction. So a customer, Patrick, is looking for options for a credit card. But he quickly realizes that there's many options on the website, and he gets confused. You're going to start to see the interaction handled by a Glia-powered chatbot, and then you'll see how the chatbot can seamlessly transfer to a live agent as the conversation gets a bit more complex. Okay? So here we go. Here we are added to the Lloyds banking website, for example. Now this could be any site. Some of the world's largest financial institutions are already using Glia: Deutsche Bank, Capital One, Belfius Bank. Many of these visitors on your website, they're just looking for answers to a simple question. No need to tie up your customer service reps for that. Let a bot handle it. Okay? Our platform can recognize visitor behavior, and it can pop up relevant messages and proactive notifications to prompt the customer to engage. Now that Patrick is engaged, he'll reach out for a chat. So you see now that Patrick is engaged with Lloyd's chatbot to answer his more general question. Typically, you want to automate these kinds of things. Patrick's asking Lloyd about credit card options, and the bot offers to take him directly to the right area of the site. Now, Patrick asks a specific question about a credit card option with the lowest balance transfer rate. And he then asks for help with the application process. This is where the conversation typically gets a little bit more complex, so connecting with a live agent is probably better. After Patrick agrees, the chatbot automatically transfers Patrick to a live agent. This eliminates any chance for drop-off or abandonment. Now you see that Javier is connected to Patrick, and he can walk him through the application process. Javier offers to co-browse with Patrick, and once Patrick clicks accept, they'll have a secure, collaborative experience only on the web pages where the Glia script has been installed. Now they can walk through the details of the credit card application process together. Javier can direct Patrick to the actual application, and they can start filling out fields together. This is just as they would do if they were sitting in person. This provides a huge improvement to the overall customer experience, and it allows Javier to educate Patrick throughout the process on fields that might be confusing or lead to abandonment or drop-off. Also, for security, we can mask, hide, or disable any of the fields that shouldn't be seen by the agent. As they're going through the application process, chats can get too long, and it might be easier to speak. This happens often with chat today. There's no ability to escalate or upgrade the conversation. Well, with Glia, Javier can easily offer an upgrade to voice.
This will be easier for me to explain the details.
So now they're instantly connected via voice, and in instances where you want to further deepen relationships, Javier can also seamlessly upgrade to video, either one-way or two-way. Everything we demonstrated was seamless. It was all achieved with no downloads, no installs, or no plugins. So now we've walked Patrick through the credit card application process, no drop-off, and the application's submitted and the engagement ends. Now what would be really useful is getting feedback from both the customer and from the agent. So we've directly integrated surveys into the web pages immediately upon the engagement ending. And with this, we're seeing a 50 to 70% response rate on these surveys, which gives you a lot of really valuable insight into both your application, your online application, and workflows. So providing a seamless digital communication option seems like an obvious need for your customers. So why haven't we done it? Because it's hard. It's really, really hard to source, integrate, secure, and scale voice, video, chat, co-browsing, and messaging, all into one seamless and easy-to-use platform. Glia has finally made that really easy. A single platform, it gets integrated onto your existing websites, mobile apps, and web portals, and it allows you to transform your digital customer experience by adding just the right amount of human touch. Thank you.